Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I'm going to show you that how can you get this email notifications of jobs via LinkedIn, right? So it is a kind of a LinkedIn job alert. How can you get that to your email? So you don't need to go always to the LinkedIn and search for the jobs. So how to get all these alerts in your email, right? So for that, what you need to do, so this is my LinkedIn profile. Go to jobs. So if you have a LinkedIn account, open that, go to jobs, and then you can see over here I have this job alerts, right? Click on that and you can see I have made some job alerts like this: fabrication engineer, assistant professor. I have also entered the location, right? So you can edit that and you can delete that. So I have like 13 different jobs alerts. Now let's we want to make a new one, right? So go to, so we are in jobs, right? And now you can search over here, and let's say I want a postdoc job, postdoc researcher, right? I click that and you can see I got all this postdoctoral fellowship, postdoctoral researcher jobs over here. Right now you can do some filters over here, like what time, what experience level you want, what company you want, what job type is a full-time contract, remote or easy apply. So you can just select over here, and then if you want the job alert for this, click on this. So you can see it says that notification for job alerts were enabled to ensure you never miss an opportunity. And if you click on this view setting, it will take you to this your settings, right? Let's go back, and I have postdoctoral researcher in India that has been initiated, right? So the job alerts has been initiated for that. And as soon as if I, so over here I got this email: your job alert for postdoctoral researcher in India has been created. And you can now see there is one job related to my search, which is like this. If I click on that, you can directly go to that job and you can easily apply. It will save time of yours, so you don't need to search anymore. You just get the alerts in your email if you like the job, and then just go over here, search for this, and you can apply for that, right? So that's how you can create a job alert on for a specific job. And you can also go to setting and you can delete that if you want, if you don't want anything for that, right? So that's how. Let's say I want to delete this, click on delete, because it is not needed anymore. And that's how you can delete and edit. So let's say I want to edit this, so click on this. You want it like a weekly or daily frequency, you can select on that. You want email notification or only email or notification means it will give you notification in LinkedIn, right? Or you can click on this delete job alert. Okay, so I want email notification, I want daily. Click on save and click on done. So this job alert has been started for your to your emails. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Thank you.